Chalo. Let's nomenclature of alkane. Okay, let's start with the nomenclature of alkane. Okay, I'll just revise it. Okay, few questions quickly. Suppose I have CH3, CH2, CH. Let us say I have CH3 and a CH3. Come on, quickly in the chat box. If you want, you can unmute yourself and tell me what would be the IUPAC name of this. What would be IUPAC name of this, Mokeshwaran? Yes, Vishnu Priya, Anushika. What would be the IUPAC name for this? Good evening, Ashwin.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it is 2-methyl-butane, sir.
Yes, correct. Very good. It is 2-methyl-butane. Perfect. Yes, Mukeshwaram is also typing. I am sure he is also typing the correct answer. Yes, correct, Anushika. Correct, Kanishka. Correct, Anil Dev. Okay, chalo, no issues. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the first rule, Mukeshwaram, is you have to select the longest continuous chain. Okay, longest continuous chain. What do we mean by continuous? Continuous means the number should be one after another. So I am explaining this for Mukeshwaram. Mukeshwaram, look over here. Suppose I number this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I number it like this. So 1 is attached to 2. Yes, true. 2 is attached to 3. Yes, true. But is 3 and 4 attached? Mukeshwaram, is it so? 3 and 4? No, it is not attached. It is not attached. So obviously it is not continuous. So continuous would be what? Continuous would be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the branch. This is the branch. And this can go in any order. From top, bottom, right, left, any order. You have to select the longest continuous chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 carbon means bute. So it is butane. And on the second carbon, okay, 4 carbon means what, Mukeshwaram? It is butane. On the second carbon, we have a 1 carbon branch. 1 carbon means what, everyone? It is nothing but methane. But since it is a branch, we call it as methyl. And on what carbon it is? It is on second carbon. And that's why the name is 2-methyl-butane. Is it clear, everyone? Come on, give me yes or no. Is it clear? Yes or no in the chat box. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Okay, now similar question. Okay, similar question. Suppose I have CH3, CH2. Mokeshwaram, I expect answer from you now. C2H5, CH3. What would be the name for this? What would be the name for this? If you want, you can unmute yourself and you can tell me. No issues. What would be the name for this? Good evening, Asin. Good evening, Aarti. First of all, let me tell you my name, Ashwin and Aarti. The nomenclature of mine, the IUPAC name of me is Ankur. Okay, Ankur sir. I teach chemistry. Okay, everything related to chemistry. Since today Vinayak sir is not with us means he is not well. Not with us means I have to use words properly. Okay, not with us means he is not well. He is sleeping at home nicely. He is fine that way, but he is not health-wise fine. Okay, so that's why I'm taking the lecture. Okay, Aarti, Ashwin. I hope you do not mind. You do not have option also. Okay, anyways. So Anil Dev has given me one answer. Vishnu Priya has given me one answer. Okay, come on. Anushika has given the answer. Kanishka has given the answer. Nice. Okay. Ashwin. Mokeshwaram has given the answer. You know, it feels so nice. It feels so nice when students fall in the trap. You know, it feels so nice when all of the students, they fall in the trap. All of you have fallen into this trap. Yeah, just because I have written butane like that, all of you, each one of you have fallen in the trap, and this is such a nice feeling. Yeah. What is? I am giving you one more chance. What is the name of this? All of you fallen into the trap. What? Yes, Vishnu Priya. What? All of you. I have just laid a grass on it. You jumped in that hole, isn't it? Look over here. I'll guide. Look over here. C2H5 means what? C2H5 means it is CH2, CH3. Okay. Now Mukeshwaram, look how I number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hmm? Isn't it, Kanishka? Arti, isn't it? Isn't it the longest continuous chain, Vishnupriya? Isn't it? So, Anil Dev? Yeah? Hmm? Correct? So, it is 5 carbon. Come on now, tell me the name. I have given the numbering. Now tell me the name. Very good, Anil Dev, Arti, Vishnupriya, very good. Yes, Mukeshwaram, what would be the name now? Very good, Kanishka. It would be 3-methyl pentane. 5 carbon means what, Mukeshwaram? 5 carbon is nothing but your pentane. 5 carbon is pentane. Okay. 3 carbon means what? It is a methyl group. So 3-methyl pentane. 3-methyl pentane. Not entane. Mukeshwaram, your P is not working or what? Okay, fine. I understand it. 3-methyl pentane. I hope everyone is clear. No doubt in this. Yeah. Can we go ahead with the reaction part? That is what you feel difficult. Yeah. See, in every organic chapter. Now today we are doing hydrocarbons. In hydrocarbons, you have alkane, alkenes, and alkynes. Yeah. What is alkyne? Yes, everyone. What do we mean by alkyne? Mukeshwaram, Kanishka. Good evening, Netra. Am I audible? Why are you so late, Netra?
So I had some problem with my network, so
Net 20 minutes. Everyone starts trying to log in at 9:30 only, isn't it? No one starts at 9:20. 7:25. Chalo, no problem. Netra, first of all, Netra, do not get confused. My name is Ankur sir. I am teaching chemistry today in the absence of Vinayak sir. Okay. So alkane, alkenes, and alkynes, they together comprise of hydrocarbons. So what is alkyne? No one told me yet. What is alkyne? Yes, Anushika, Vishnupriya, Ashwin. Good morning, Ashwin. Yes, Netra, what is alkyne? Anyone knows? Triple bonds. Very good. Okay, look over here. Look over here. Everyone, now a simple question. A very simple question I expect you to answer. A stable carbon. How many bonds a stable carbon make? How many bonds a stable carbon make? Mukeshwaram? Very good, Kanishka. Yes. Vishnupriya? Netra? How many bonds a stable carbon make? A simple question. How many bonds a stable carbon make? Yes. Come on, tell me. No one knows? What? No one knows how many bonds a carbon makes. It is fine even if it is wrong. No one is judging you. See, I'll tell you one trick. To answer any question, there is all chats written over there. You can click on my name and you can answer. That answer only I can see. If you are worried that others will see the answer and what they will think, you can just click on that all chats, click on my name. That answer would be visible only to me. Is that clear, Mukeshwaram? You can do that. So I can only see how bad your answer is and I will not judge. Okay. So carbon, correct, Anushika, Mukeshwaram, Aarti, Vishnupriya, they all make 4 bonds. Why? Why do carbon makes 4 bonds? Yes. Aarti, why do carbon makes 4 bonds? Kanishka, Anushika? No. Very good. See, the atomic number of carbon, remember everyone, the atomic number of carbon is what? Come on, I expect at least this to be correct. Correct, Aarti? What is the atomic number of carbon? Everyone? What is the atomic number of carbon? The atomic number of carbon? No one will say 12? Yes, it is 6. It is 6. So if I write down the electronic configuration, Anil Dev, if I write down the electronic configuration, it is 2, 4. It is 2, 4. So 4 electrons are there in the valence shell. Valence shell means outermost shell. Valence shell means outermost shell. So there are 2 plus 2, 4 valence electron in the valence shell, and that's why carbon always and always makes 4 bond, and that is the first thing you are going to check, that you are writing compound correctly or no. If you are writing a whole page mechanism and you are writing down compound incorrectly, straight 0, because that compound does not make sense. Okay, so be very careful. So over here, let us say I have drawn a carbon, carbon. Okay, a carbon, carbon. Now tell me how many more bonds this carbon can make. How many more bonds this carbon can make? Mukeshwaram, Kanishka, Anil Dev. 3 more bonds. Perfect. Very good answer. 3 more bonds. So I'll draw 3 hydrogen over here. Similarly, adjacent carbon. Similarly, adjacent carbon. How many more bonds it can make? Anil Dev, I expect answer from you. Yes, correct. 3 more. Perfect. Why 3 more, Mukeshwaram? Because there is 1 bond already present over here. So carbon makes, we know now, 4 bonds. So it will make 3 more bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have completed the valency. So this is single bond. Similarly, let us say a double bond. Now tell me each carbon will make how many bonds? Each carbon, correct Anil Dev, very good. Yes, Kanishka, Vishnu Priya. Yes, correct Aarti, perfect. It will make 2 more bonds. It will make 2 more bonds each carbon. Now suppose I'll draw a triple bond. Mukeshwaram, I have drawn a triple bond. Now tell me each carbon, how many more bonds? Perfect, perfect. Yes. Netra, are you understanding? You're not answering. If you're not understanding, please let me know. Okay, I'll stop. I'll go slow and I'll explain once again. So, Netra, each carbon, how many bonds does it make? It makes 4 bonds. It makes 4 bonds. Now look at this carbon which I have drawn. Netra, that is carbon, triple bond carbon. So if I talk about this carbon, Netra, it has made 3 more bonds. 3 bonds. It has made 3 bonds. Total it can make 4. That means how many more it can make, Netra? It can make only 1. Yes, 1. Okay. Similarly, there is an adjacent carbon. That also, how many more, Netra? Correct. 1. Okay. So single, double, triple, and this is what differentiate your alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Your single bonded carbons. If in your hydrocarbon, if you have only and only single bonds, what do we call them? Yes, Anushika, we call them as what? We call them as alkane. If you have a double bond, Anil Dev, what do we call them? Not Anil Dev, we call them as alkene. Yeah, and if you have a triple bond, Anil Dev, be perfect with the spelling. It is alkene. Okay, and triple bond we call it as alkyne. Come on, draw it quickly in the chat, quickly in the book, and I hope everyone is sitting with the book. Yeah. Come on, draw it. Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Alkane, alkene, alkyne, and this is the main visual difference. So by looking at it only, you can say this is alkane, alkene, and alkyne. After done, kindly write down done in the chat box so that I know you have done, so that I know your writing part is done. Done. Okay. And this alkene and alkyne, okay, we call them as unsaturated. Why unsaturated? Because this, we can add more hydrogens over there by breaking the bond. That's why we call them as unsaturated. And alkane, we call them as saturated hydrocarbons. So this is like a classification: saturated and unsaturated. saturated and unsaturated. I hope everyone's clear. Come on, give me yes or no. Netra, Anushika, Mukeshwaram. I hope it is clear. Kapil, not Kapil Dev. Anil Dev. Is it clear? Okay. Ashwin, is it clear? Okay. Now look over here. So this is alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Okay. Now let's go to the next. Let us go to the reactions of alkene. Let us start with alkene. Now every organic chemistry chapter, it is like that. First you study the preparations. Okay. Then you study the properties. Okay. First you study preparation. Then you study properties. Then you study the reactions. All of the organic chemistry chapters are like this. For 12th standard, I cannot stress enough how important your organic chemistry is, because in your 12th standard, if you have seen, the syllabus from inorganic chemistry is almost completely removed. Only 2 chapters are there from inorganic chemistry. 6 chapters are from your organic chemistry, total 11th and 12th. So organic chemistry, the paper, the JEE paper will be heavily dependent on organic chemistry. So if you have any doubt, please get it clear in 11th standard only. When I teach you in the 12th standard, I do not want a basic doubts. If you have any doubts, please get it clear. Stop me. I'll explain you 10 times. No issues. Okay. Chalo. Let us start with alkane, the preparation. Let us start with the preparation of alkanes. Give the heading, preparation of alkanes. Preparation of alkanes. Preparation of alkanes. Okay. Sure. Let us start with the difficult one. Okay, let us start with easy one. Sure. So we want to prepare alkane. Now, how do we prepare alkane? Look over here. So simple. Alkane means we want a single bond. So what I'll do, I'll take a compound containing a double bond or a triple bond. For example, suppose I have CH3, CH2, double bond CH. First of all, tell me, did I wrote the compound correctly? Mokeshwaram, Aarti, Kanishka, Netra, Vishnupriya, did I write the compound correctly? Yes, Anushika, Anil Dev, did I write the compound correctly? If not, then please correct it. Tell me the corrected version of it. Yes, Mukeshwaram, check. Anushika, check. Did I write down the compound correctly? Netra, check each and every carbon. But this is not alkane. I am writing an alkene. Okay. I am writing an alkene, that is propene. Okay. I am writing a propene. Okay. Anil Dev has given me one correction, CH3, CH2, CH2. Is this correct? I am writing propene, by the way. I am drawing propene. Is this correct? Vishnupriya has also given me the same correction. Okay. Is this correct? What I have written, is it correct? What have I written? Is it correct? Aarti, propene. Is it correct? Netra, check every carbon. Is it correct? We know how many bonds a carbon make, Anushika. Do not get zoned out. Is it correct? Come on, yes or no? Now here we go. Correct? Did you get a mistake, Anil Dev? Yes, Kanishka, come on, correct the compound. I want to draw a propene. Come on, not that difficult. Mukeshwaram. Okay, chalo, I'll help you. Look over here. What I want to draw? Propene. Prop means how many carbon? Mukeshwaram. Prop means? Yes, everyone. Prop means Netra. Propane means how many carbon? Arti, 3 carbon, correct? 3 carbon, perfect. So what I'll do, if you have a confusion with the name to structure, this is how you draw it. First, draw the 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. Now what I am saying, Mukeshwaram, I have a propene. Propene means I have an alkene. What is the main thing of alkene, Kanishka? Alkene have a double bond. Yes, Anushika, alkenes have a double bond. So what I'll do, I'll draw a double bond. I'll draw a double bond. Then satisfy them. Now this carbon, how many bond it has made? 1. How many more it can make? Anil Dev, Kanishka, Mokeshwaram, Netra, how many more that carbon can make? 3 bonds, correct? So I have CH3. Then similarly, how many more this carbon can make now? Mokeshwaram, how to? Look at the right, look at the left. Do not only look at the left. Look at the right, look at the left. There is 1 on the left, 2 on the right, isn't it? So 1 plus 2, 3. How many bonds are remaining? Only 1. Are you getting it, everyone? Yes or no? Vishnu Priya? Yeah? Now look at the last carbon. How many more hydrogen? I want the correct answer now, this from everyone. Yes, Ashwin, Netra? Vishnu Priya? Yes? 2 hydrogens. This is how we write propene. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no? Come on, give me yes or no. Is it clear? So this is how you draw the structures. This is how you draw the structures. Okay. I hope Vishnupriya it is clear now. Yeah. Okay. Ashwin, is it clear? Okay. So this is how you draw the structure. Now, first reaction that I'm going to do is the first reaction that I'm going to carry out is the reduction. In the chat box, everyone, what do we mean by reduction? Yes. What do we mean by reduction? Yeah. What do we mean by reduction? No one knows? Reduction means what? Anyone? Okay, very nice, Aarti. But do we have an oxygen over here? Very good, Kaniska. Perfect. Nice. Very good, Anil Dev. Very good, Vishnu Priya. Very good, Anushika. Anushika, I am not talking in terms of electron. We are doing organic chemistry. So we are going to talk in terms of hydrogens and oxygen. Correct? So reduction means what? Come on, write it down. Netra, write it down. Reduction means what? Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Yes, correct, Mukeshwaram. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. So if I reduce this propene, okay, now this is your addition reaction. Now this reaction takes place in the presence of metals like nickel, platinum, palladium. So what do? We take a hydrogen and we react in the presence of nickel, platinum, palladium. Okay. So what will happen, Vishnu Priya? Where will this hydrogen add? Yes. Where will this hydrogen add? It will always add at the unsaturated carbons. Yeah. Because at this carbon, you do not have any bond left. All of the single, all are saturated. Yeah. I hope everyone knows the meaning of saturated. Who can know it better than you all, isn't it? You all get saturated so easily, especially with organic chemistry, isn't it, Kanishka? Yeah. Saturation means what? Saturation means there is only and only single bond. Okay. Unsaturation means double bond. So reduction always occurs on unsaturated carbons. So what I'll do? I'll add hydrogen, hydrogen. How can I add it? By removing that double bond. So what I'll get? The double bond will break. CH3, the CH2, single bond, CH2. Is it clear, everyone? Come on, give me yes or no. Is it clear? Ashwin, Mukeshwaram, Aarti, Netra, Anil Dev. Is it clear? Yeah. And this is nothing but your propane. So what you have prepared, this is what we are doing. Preparations of alkane. Preparations of alkane. Yeah. So first preparation that we have carried out Yes, give the heading by reduction of alkene. By reduction of alkene. Reduction of alkene. Did you ever wonder, by the way, did you ever wonder why do we use metals as a catalyst? Yeah? Why do we use metals as a catalyst over here? Yes? Vishnupriya, Anushika. Why do we use metals as a catalyst? Mokeshwaram? Yes, Anil Dev? Anil Dev, can I call you Anil? Is it fine? Because by mistake I call you Kapil Dev in between. I hope you are fine with it, Anil Dev. Ability to change oxidation state. Okay, nice answer. See, do not go into technicalities. I'll tell you a very, very easy thing. Electron accepts. Metal generally electron donates. Okay, generally does not accept electron. Metal does not get a negative charge. Metals get a positive charge, isn't it? So metals generally donate the electron. But leave everything apart. Okay. What is the state of matter of hydrogen? Is it solid, liquid, or gas? Yes, very good, Anil Dev. Very good. Nice answer. What is the state of matter of hydrogen? Is it solid, liquid, or gas? It is a gas. It is a gas. It is a gas. Correct. So what happens, Vishnu, Priya, Aswin, Netra, what do? We give them a solid support. Okay. Lower hydrocarbons are also gas. Okay. Lower hydrocarbons are also gas. Okay. So if you allow gas and gas to react, they will randomly move anywhere. Correct. So what do they metal do? Metal absorb those gas. Okay. Hydrocarbon will come over here. Your H2 gas will come over here. They will interact and you will get a product faster. You will get a product faster. Is it clear, everyone? Anushika, Mukeshwaram, is it clear? Okay. First of all, why all of your names are so long? I can teach one concept while pronouncing your name. Okay. So that is how reduction takes place, and this was the first preparation of alkene. First preparation of alkane from alkenes. Okay, or from unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay. Similarly, I can do that same thing. I can do the same thing with a triple bond. I can do the same thing with a triple bond. So I have, let us say, CH3, C triple bond, CH. Okay. Same, exactly same. So exactly same. What will happen? This is a strong reducing agent. Everywhere hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So what I'll have? Now triple bond will convert into double, which convert into single. So what I'll have? CH3, CH2, CH3. Again, what I have got? Propane. Come on, write it down. Again, what I have got? Propane. Again, I have got a propane. Done, everyone. Come on, write it down and give me done in the chat box. Is it done? Done, everyone. Done. Okay. Okay. So let us go ahead. Now, before going ahead, can anyone tell me what do we mean by functional group? What do we mean by functional group? Yeah. What do we mean by functional group? Or give me any examples of functional group. Come on. Go ahead. Yes, Aarti, Anushika, Netra, Anil Dev. Give me some examples of functional group. Okay, halogens, ketone, esters, aldehyde, ether. Okay, one by one. The first one given by is Arthi. Arthi has told me a ketone. What is a ketone functional group? In the chat box, everyone. What is a ketone functional group? Arthi, you can unmute yourself and you can say you are on mobile. I know. Very difficult to type. Okay, Anil there. Nice. Yes, Arthi. What is a
Sir,
ketone?
C double bond O.
C double bond O. Okay, nice. Yes, correct. That is a ketone. Okay. Then you have who has, yes, correct. This is a ketone. RCOR. Okay. Then after RT, who has given me a functional group? Vishnupriya. Okay, Vishnupriya has given me a difficult one. Ester. Vishnupriya, what is ester? Yeah. What is the ester? Ester. You have only written no, that is wrong. What is ester, everyone? Come on in the chat box. Or you can unmute yourself and can tell me. What is ester? What is ester? Very good, Anil there. Nice. Ester means you have extra O over here. RC double bond O, OR. That is your ester. That is your ester. Is it clear, Vishnupriya? Vishnupriya, what you have given me is a ether. ROR. Okay, that is your ether. Then who has given me? Anushika has given me carboxylic acid. Yes, Anushika? Now that does not mean next time you all will not answer because I am catching you all. Yes, what is carboxylic acid?
COOH.
Come again?
COOH.
Yes, correct. RCOOH. Very good. This is your carboxylic acid. This is your carboxylic acid. Who else? Netra. Netra has given me aldehyde. Yes, Netra. What is an aldehyde?
C single bond H and double bond O.
Come again. Come again.
C single bond H and double bond O.
Nice. Okay, so R, C double bond O and H. Perfect. This is our aldehyde. Okay. Now when you do the IUPAC nomenclature, no, it is very important to remember the priority order. Like whom to give the priority, whom to give the number one. It is very important. Okay, we have made a, wait, I'll show you. Do you follow TG Campus on the Instagram? Anyone? Not Instagram, the YouTube. Does anyone follow on YouTube? No? No? So I had made a reel on it. Just a minute, I'll show you. We had made a reel on it. Okay. To know the priority order. Yes, correct, Anil Dev. The acid is the first, but that is not the only thing we have to remember. We have to remember the whole order. We have to remember the whole order. Okay, so we had made a, I'll show you. And first of all, no one will laugh. Okay. Because I am going to come in the video. Okay. Everyone, eyes on the screen. I'm sharing the video. Aswin, eyes on the screen. Look over here.
Do you feel difficulty in remembering the priority order of functional group? Here's the trick. Remember this statement. Carboxylic, stop asking ester anything about cyanide. I already know all things about it. Carboxylic acid, sulfonic acid, anhydride, ester, acid halide, amide, cyanide, isocyanide, aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, thioalcohol, and amine. For more such tricks and tips, follow us on all our online platforms.
Okay. So I am sharing the link later on. I'm sharing the link in the chat box. Okay. Later on, go and write it down. So that is the order. First comes, I have given you the statement. Okay. So from that, we have derived the order. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Chalo. Let us go ahead. I hope everyone is clear till over here. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Now give the heading. First preparation of alkane, we have done it from the unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is alkenes and alkynes. Now next is from alkyl halide. From, give the heading. What we are doing preparation of alkanes. Now next is preparation of alkane from alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. What is the alkyl halide? Everyone, come on in the chat box. What is alkyl halide? What is alkyl halide? Yes, Aarti, Ashwin, Anil Dev, Netra. What is alkyl halide? Kanishka? Alright, no one knows. Alkyl halide, it's in the name, Anushika. Alkyl halide. Yes, Vishnupriya. Alkyl halide. Halogen atoms, only halogen atoms. Anil Dev, is it only halogen atoms? Alkyl halide. Yes, Mukeshwaram. Alkyl halide. Carbon compound with halogen. Alkyl is CnH2 and or aliphatic hydrocarbon. No. With the halogen. Why you all complicate things so much? Alkyl means what? Alkyl means a hydrocarbon. Alkyl means a hydrocarbon. Let us say like CH3. It is halogen attached with triple bond. No, Vishnupriya. Alkyl, not alkyne. Okay. What is alkyl? Alkyl group means any hydrocarbon. R group. Okay. R group. Any hydrocarbon. If you want, write it down. Do not get confused. Okay. Hydrocarbon. So we write it like RX. X means halogen. X means halogen. Okay. And R is any hydrocarbon. R is any hydrocarbon. For example, if I write it like this, CH3, CH2, Cl. Come on, tell me the IUPAC name of this. IUPAC name of this. IUPAC, not the common name. Yes, Aarti, Kanishka, Netra, IUPAC name. Very good, Vishnupriya. IUPAC name would be what? Don't worry, I am going to give you break in 10 minutes. Do not sleep now. Sleep in that break. Correct, Anushika? It is Ashwin. 1, 2. 2 means what? Ethane. I have a chlorine. So it is chloroethane. Correct. It is. Now after I write, everyone will answer, isn't it? Chloroethane. It is chloroethane. Okay. Now chloroethane. Chloroethane. When I reduce that chloroethane. Okay. When I reduce that chloroethane, again, what I'll do? Reduction. Okay. First reaction from alkyl halide will do the reduction. Again, what is the meaning of reduction? Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Okay. So if I reduce it, if I reduce the alkyl halide, yes, Ashwin, if I reduce the alkyl halide with the hydrogen, okay, again, I will have a catalyst like a metal, and acid is the solvent. Okay, so what will happen over here? Reduction means what? One of the hydrogen will get added. So what I'll have? CH3 and CH2H plus HCl is eliminated. Plus HCl is eliminated. What is the name of this? What is the name of product I have got? Vishnupriya, Netra, Raghav, Kanishka. Good evening, Raghav. Why did you join so early today? Could I have waited more, half an hour?
No, sorry, sir, for this.
What happened? Why you joined late today?
No, sir, I was late because tuition was extended actually. I went to math tuition before this.
Okay. How did it go?
I had to return home, but I came at 8 o'clock.
How did it go? Was it more interesting than chemistry?
Don't know, sir.
Trapped in the question. Okay, fine, no issues. Come on. Okay, look over here, everyone. What is the name? Vishnupriya says ethene. What is the name of this? Correct, Aarti, Ashwin. What is the name of the product? See, just because I have written CH2H, that does not mean it is CH2H. It is CH3, CH3. Are you getting it, everyone? I have just extended that H. I can do that. Yeah. So that is your ethane. Come on, write down this, everyone. Reduction of alkyl halide. Reduction of alkyl halide. Reduction of alkyl halide. Come on, write it down and give me done. Obviously, JEE students feel maths is very superior. Yeah? Come on, give me done. Write it down, everyone. And give me done. Done. Raghav left. Come on, give me done, everyone. Ganesh. Ganesh. I'm audible. Ganesh. Okay, done. Chalo, let us go ahead, everyone. Let us go ahead. Similarly, tell me, what if I have CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, Cl, and I reacted with H2Zn. Come on, tell me the IUPAC name of the product. I want the IUPAC name. Come on, solve this. I want the IUPAC name of the product. I want the IUPAC name of the product. Yes? Raghav, turn on your camera if possible. I want the IUPAC name of the product. Come on. Very good, Vishnupriya. Anil Dev, of the product, not the reactant. This is my reactant, no? I do not want the IUPAC name of the reactant. I want is of the product. Come on, solve it. And Raghav, I don't think so. We have met before. Yeah? Did you attend my any of lectures?
No, sir, first time.
Oh, no. So, my name is Ankur sir. Okay, I teach chemistry over here. Since Vinayak sir is not with us, that means he's not well. Okay, that's why I am taking the lecture. The line. Okay.
Okay.
Come on, tell me the name of the product, everyone. Arey, come on. Just like the last reaction, add the hydrogen, remove the halogen. Yes? Add the hydrogen, remove the halogen. Exactly like the last reaction, what we did. What are you all are struggling with IUPAC or what? Very good, Aarti. Yes, Ashwin, you are not giving an answer. Very good, Anushika. Yes, Mukeshwaram, I expect answer from you. Netra. So what will happen over here? Yes? So reduction means we will add a hydrogen, simple. So if we add a hydrogen, remove the halogen, what I'm going to get? I'm going to get CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. And what is the IUPAC name of this? We did it in the beginning only. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the second we have a methyl group. So 2-methyl butane. Is it clear, everyone? Come on, give me yes or no. Is it clear, Raghav? What have we done, Raghav? We have done reduction. What is the meaning of reduction, Raghav? Reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. So over here we are adding a hydrogen. Come on, give me yes, everyone. What? Already saturated. Is it clear? Come on, give me yes in the chat box. Okay. Okay, chalo, let us go ahead. Now, one more reaction, then we'll take a break. Okay, don't worry. Now, next reaction, write down very, very important. Very, very important. It is there in your 12th standard also. In two chapters, this reaction is there in the 12th standard. And it is there in the 11th standard also. And it comes almost every time in the JEE. That is your Wurtz reaction. Okay, that is your Wurtz reaction. Okay. Now, what is Wurtz reaction? Very easy. I'll tell you the trick also, and I'll tell you how does it happen. Okay, I'll tell you trick also, and I'll tell you how does it happen. Okay, so give the heading Wurtz reaction. Okay, so Wurtz reaction is coming under what? What are we doing, by the way, everyone? We are preparing alkane. Do not forget that. We are preparing alkane using alkyl halide. Yeah, so Wurtz reaction also comes under that. We are going to use alkyl halide to prepare alkane. Okay, now look over here. So in the Wurtz reaction, what happens? In the Wurtz reaction, let us say I have CH3, CH2, Cl. Okay, I have two molecules of that I will write it like this: Cl, CH2, CH3. Okay, and we need a solvent where we do not have a proton. So we take a dry ether. We take a dry ether and we let them react it with sodium. So suppose I have two sodium over here. Ashwin, look over here. Very important. I have a two sodium over here. Okay, I have a two sodium over here. So obviously sodium and chlorine, okay, they are like lovers. No one can separate them. Okay, sodium and chlorine, always they come together, always. Okay, so what happens? NaCl, NaCl goes out. I'll tell you mechanism also of this. Okay, NaCl, and what will happen? This CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, they combine to give you butane. They combine to give you butane. So what has happened? Your 2 carbon has converted into 4 carbon. In the exam, how do they ask? In the exam, they will not give you that you have a 2 molecule. In the exam, Ashwin, it will be directly like this: CH3, CH2, Cl, Na. That's it. That's it. You have to write, you have to understand, yes, this is Wurtz reaction, and that is how we get a product. Is it clear, everyone? Come on, give me yes or no. Is it clear? Come on, write this down. Write this down and give me done. Write this down and give me done. Okay. The mechanism of this is very interesting. Okay, but that we'll do after the break. So what is the time? It is 8:29. Till how long do you want a break? Sir, give it till 9:30 only. Yeah. Isn't it? No. Okay. So it is 8:29. Take 10 minutes. Okay. So that I'll start sharply at 8:39. I'll not wait. Please come back at 8:38. Settle down so that we can start. Okay. Go drink water. Wash face. You require it. Yeah. Chalo, I'll see you at 8:39. Take a break. And do not leave the session. Do not leave the session. I repeat. Mechanism is interesting. Do not come late. Yes, everyone, come on back. Turn on your cameras. Everyone back. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Knock, knock. Anil Dev, Mukeshwaram, Vishnupriya, Ashwin. Turn on your cameras. Anushika. Come on, everyone is back. Those who are back, write down back in the chat box. We are back. If you are back, then I am front. Okay, chalo. Anil Dev, are we back? Mukeshwaram. Okay. Okay. So let us continue. So over here, what is the mechanism of this? What is the mechanism of this? Like, how does this work? How does this work? Okay. Now, Na, if it takes away Cl minus completely, okay, Anushika, Mukeshwaram, Raghav, Vishnupriya, if I completely take away that Cl minus, okay, so I'll take it on new page. Suppose I take away completely that Cl minus, what charge will come on the carbon? Yes, if I take away that Cl completely away with the bond, what charge will come? Yeah, because Cl goes as Cl minus, that we know. So what charge will come on the carbon? Yes, Raghav, Vishnupriya, Anushika, Netra. If I take away the electron from that, technically what charge should come? No, Raghav, I am taking the electron with me. No, the chlorine, what is chlorine doing? Chlorine is taking away the electron with itself. So if you remove an electron, there comes a positive charge. There comes a positive charge. So let us say I have got a positive charge over here. Correct? I have got a positive charge. Same thing I am doing from adjacent hydrocarbon. Same thing. If I take away the whole Cl minus, what will we get? CH2 plus, CH3 minus. CH2 plus and CH3. But do plus plus form a bond? Is it even possible? Do Anushika, Netra, Raghav, Vishnupriya. Is it even possible that positive coming together to form a bond? Anil Dev, you are late. Is it even possible to make a positive? So does this happen? No, this does not happen. So what happens? Why we are using sodium? Why we are using an inorganic metal in any organic reaction? What is the main important thing of sodium? What is the atomic number of sodium, everyone? Yeah, what is the atomic number of sodium? Very good, Kaniska. Yes, Anil Dev, Anushika, Netra. What is the atomic number of sodium? Perfect, very good. 11. So sodium 11. How many valence electron is there in the sodium? How many valence electron? How many valence electron in the sodium? Valence electron means outermost electrons. Very good, Kanishka. Very good, Vishnupriya. It is 2, 8, 1. It can donate this electron. It can donate this electron. And that is the role of a sodium over here. What happens? Look over here. Sodium give away a single electron. It does not give away lone pair. It gives away a single electron. Okay, I don't think so you must have heard about it, but this is called as radical. This is called as radical charge. If I have a positive charge, I'll call it as carbocation. Yeah, I'll call it as carbocation. If I have a negative charge, I call it as carboanion or carbanion. If I have a radical, okay, this is your carbon radical. This is your carbon radical. Okay, this is your carbon radical. So same thing happen over here. The Cl gets a radical, and this is very unstable. So to stabilize it, Anil Dev, Anushika, what happens to stabilize it? Raghav, what will happen? This will undergo a cleavage. That bond, the covalent bond, what is a covalent bond? Covalent bond means one electron, sharing of electron. So that bond will break, Netra, and it will give one electron to each of the sides. So what will happen? Cl electron will become Cl minus and go out. And what I have got, I'll write it over here. CH3, CH2 radical. CH3, CH2 radical. Same thing happened with the other alkyl halide also. Again, I'll get CH2, CH3 radical. Are you getting it, everyone? Come on, give me yes or no, Raghav. Is it clear? So I'll get a radical charge. And now that radical will come together to give you a butane. And this is how this reaction works. This is how this reaction works. So wherever you have sodium, you should identify this will undergo radical mechanism. This will undergo radical mechanism. This will undergo radical mechanism. Is it clear, everyone? Come on, give me yes or no. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, obviously, two radicals will form a bond. That is a covalent bond. No. What is a covalent bond? This one electron from each of the carbon. That forms a covalent bond. Yeah, so they form a covalent bond. Come on, write this down. Write this down. Write this down. Come on. It is not given in the book, but you should know how does it happen. So that you can flex it in front of your school friends. Yeah, this is how it happens. I know. Yeah. Can I write it down? Mukeshwaram, are you shy or what? Turn on your camera. Mukeshwaram, for how many days you have not slept? Come on, write it down and tell me done so that we can go ahead. Done, go ahead. Okay, so wherever you see any, understand that it will undergo radical mechanism. It will undergo radical mechanism. Okay, shallow. Let us go ahead. Let us go ahead. So after radical mechanism, any. Okay, now you do one. Suppose I want the IUPAC name. I want the IUPAC name. Okay. Suppose I have Raghav CH3 CH3 Br. Okay, same thing with Cl, Br, halogen, everything they will do the same thing except fluorine. Okay, suppose I have Na. Come on, tell me the product. Na in dry ether. Tell me the product. I want the IUPAC name, by the way. Tell me the product. IUPAC name of the product, not the reactant. Yes, I am waiting for the product. And I'm going to see your book also now. Those who will finish it, you have to show me the book in the camera. Yes, no one got the product. You can dictate it to me if you are struggling with the IUPAC name. No issues. I'll help you in the IUPAC name. No, Raghav. Raghav, what did I tell you? It is not necessary that they will give you 2 over there. But 2 is there. There are 2 molecules present. Getting it? And what you have given me, Raghav, how can a bromo come? No, bromo will not be there, no? In the product. Look at the last reaction, Raghav. Look at the last reaction and solve it. It is exactly same like that. Come on. No one got the answer. Netra, Mukeshwaram, Vishnupriya, Kaniska, Anindev. What happened? Suddenly you have gone all silent. What did you do in the break? Okay. Chalo, dictate me. Those who have got the answer, raise hand. Okay, those who have got the answer, raise hand. It's okay if you do not know the IUPAC name. Yes, I'll help Raghav. Wait, let everyone do it. Okay, Vishnupriya has got the answer. Okay. Who else got the answer? Just like the last reaction, why is it that difficult? Little bit difficult. I introduced, then you all struggled. Yes, Vishnupriya, first you dictate. Chalo, Vishnupriya has got one. Let us try that.
Sir, it is heptane, sir.
Come again.
Heptane.
Heptane. But how? Like heptane? No. No. IUPAC is not the heptane. But you are close. Okay. Look over here. Look over here. Look over here. Yes, everyone look over here. What will Na do? Netra, Raghav, what will Na do? What will Na do? Yes? Yes, everyone. Vishnupriya, Ashwin, what will Na do? Anushika, Kaniska, Mukeshwaram, what will Na do? It will give an electron. It will form a radical. It will give an electron. Okay? So it has given electron. Now what will happen, Netra? I have a Na plus. Correct, Anushika? I have a Na plus now because electron is gone. This will undergo cleavage. This will break. So Br minus NaBr has gone out. NaBr has gone out. Now what I have got? I have got 2 radicals of CH3, CH, CH3 radical. Why is it that difficult? It was so easy. Yeah. So what I have got? CH3, CH, Raghav, CH3 radical. Another exactly same molecule which contains CH, CH3, CH3 radical. So what I have got? CH3, CH, single bond, CH, both of the CH contains the CH3, CH3, CH3. Is it clear? Was it difficult? Come on. Was it difficult? No. Is it clear now? Come on, give me yes or no. Is it clear? Anushika, is it clear? Netra, Ashwin, Raghav, Vishnupriya, is it clear? Kaniska, Mokeshwaram. Okay. Now come on, tell me the IUPAC name of this. Anil Dev. Tell me the IUPAC name of this. Tell me the IUPAC name of this. Nice. Anil Dev. Yes, everyone. Shall I help you with the numbers also if you want? Very good, Vishnupriya. Very good, Kaniska. Very good, Anushika. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbon means what, Raghav? 4 carbon means we have Netra. What do we have? 4 carbon means we have a butane. Correct? On the second and third carbon, we have a methyl group. We have 2 methyl groups. So what we will write? 2, 3 dimethyl butane. 2, 3 dimethyl butane. Is it clear, everyone? Kaniska, is it clear? Okay, chalo. So this was your Wurtz reaction. This was your Wurtz reaction. Should I give you one more? Should I give you one more to try? No, chalo. Let us, no, let it be. Now let us complete the last reaction. Okay. You have to do the class assessment also. And no one is going to leave the, let's do one thing. Okay, I did not start with alkene. Okay. Now tell me honestly, raise hand option who attempted last class assessment. Raise hand. No one. Who were present in the last class? Who all were present in the last class? At least raise hand. Last class means I'm not talking about. I raise hand means raise hand option on the screen, not raise hand. Everyone is raising hand like this. No, not raise hand. I cannot see everyone at once. Do not raise hand in front of camera. I am saying raise hand option over there. Who all were present? Vishnupriya, then the CA, Kanishka. Complete lecture. I am saying complete lecture that you ended at 9:30. Raise hand once again. Who all were till 9:30? Only Vishnupriya, Kanishka. Netra was there. The last lecture, when was your JEE last lecture of Vinayak sir? Of not mine. Because we will do the first class assessment again. Okay, because Alkane is what we have covered, no? We will do the first class assessment again. Okay, but wait, let us do the last reaction, then we'll go to class assessment. Okay, let us do the last reaction. What are we doing? We are preparing the alkenes. We are preparing the alkenes. So we are preparing the next is from carboxylic acid. Everyone in the chat box, now I want a correct answer. What is the functional group of carboxylic acid? Yes. What is the functional group of carboxylic acid? Correct, Vishnupriya. Yes, Kanishka. Very good, Anil Dev. Very good, Raghav. Yes, Netra. Very good, Anushika. What is the functional group of carboxylic acid? It is simply RCOOH. RCOOH. Okay, so I'll take any carboxylic acid. Suppose I have CH3 C double bond OOH. Can anyone tell me what is the name of this? Which carboxylic acid is this? Anyone? Which carboxylic acid is this? Very good, Anil Dev. Yes, Kanishka, you are good in IUPAC. Come on, tell me. And do not tell me acetic acid. I am asking the IUPAC. Yes, Anushika, Netra, Raghav, Ashwin, Vishnupriya. Methanoic acid. Okay. Mokeshwaram, what is the IUPAC name of this? It is Vishnupriya. Do not ignore this carbon. You have to count that carbon also. It is ethanoic acid. Okay, it is ethanoic acid. It is ethanoic acid. Okay, now from carboxylic acid, how do we do it? Okay, so the first is your decarboxylation. The first is decarboxylation, as it is given in the name decarboxylation. That means what? You are removing carbon dioxide. You are removing Mukeshwaram carbon dioxide. Decarboxylation. Yeah, just like your dehydration. What happens in dehydration, Mukeshwaram? We remove the water. In decarboxylation, as the name suggests, we will remove carbon dioxide. We will remove carbon dioxide. So simple. So what happens in decarboxylation? What do we take? So we take a base, that is sodium hydroxide, okay, NaOH, and calcium oxide, and a calcium oxide. So when you heat it, what happens? The decarboxylation means what? CO2. Yes, CO2. So CO2 combines with Na to give you Na2CO3, Na2CO3, and obviously CH3 and H combine to give you, what is this? A methane. So in decarboxylation, you get an alkane with the one carbon less. You get an alkane with a one carbon less. Is everyone clear? Come on, give me yes or no. You get a carbon, you get a alkane, one carbon less. One carbon less. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, now chalo, I'll give you one. Suppose I have I want the IUPAC name, CH3, 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 CH2, COOH, and I'm treating it with NaOH and heat it with same above reaction, calcium oxide heat, same above reaction. Just a minute, something went into my eye. Come on, you solve it, everyone. Come on, solve it. Tell me the IUPAC name of the product. Tell me the IUPAC name of the product. Product, Vishnupriya, product of the product. You all do not understand reactant of product. Or this is my reactant. On the right hand side, I'll have product. Come on. Very good, Anil Dev. Yes, Netra, Mukeshwaram, Raghav, Kanishka, Ashwin, Anushika. Come on, just like the above reaction, you have to remove the carbon dioxide. That's it. Very good, Anushika. So what will happen over here, Vishnupriya? Decarboxylation. Your CO2 will go away. That's it, Mukeshwaram. So Na2CO3. So what I'll get? CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH2H. That is the CH3. So what is the name of this, Mukeshwaram? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon means what? Propane. On the second carbon, you have a methyl group. So 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Is it clear, everyone? Come on, give me yes or no. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, come on, write it down and give me done. Write this down and tell me done. Write this down. Come on, write it down and done in the chat box. Write it down and done in the chat box.